When I look at the foundation of our being, the code from which we are built, I don't see randomness. I see an order in the continual construction and maintenance of an organism, a biological entity made from the vast universe in which we reside, a collection of the molecules produced by some unknown origin, if there is an origin. We see no end to this universe, and the harder we look, the more questions we obtain. The universe is ever expanding into the infinite, probably in many different ways. Beyond the universe and within the subatomic field, we can go infinitely in either direction. There are no boundaries in our universe, nowhere to say this is the end of the universe, or this is as far down as we can go. There is always more the further we dig. I have been taught how many of these processes function, and even ways to manipulate the nature of scientific processes. I mean, we have the capability to change the code in which we are constructed, giving us the ability to choose certain traits and characteristics about ourselves. We have put our presence into the cosmos with our Voyager missions, and we have calculated unobserved phenomena that happen thousands of light years away from us. We can look into our telescopes and see light from billions of years ago. We have evolved on this planet in our spot in the cosmos with a variety of life, all stemming from some common ancestor deep in the past. All life on Earth shares the same building blocks of life. We share DNA, among many other things. We have even found how life can compile from a mixture of material. Something that science cannot tell us, though, is why it is beautiful, and why did it even happen in the first place. There is something also that science can measure but cannot explain, which is the spirit or soul of an individual, and the striving and the longing for the divine. Therefore, I cannot view my work in the lab as separate from my faith. The microscope is not a tool to disprove God. It is a lens to witness Him and the ultimate beauty we have in our lives. With how crazy the world is, I do not feel it is that far-fetched that we were created and given this miracle of experiencing life. I mean, just being seems like a miracle in itself. We have the capacity to look at ourselves. Are we just the universe experiencing itself? Are we just part of a larger being, such as how our bodies are composed of numerous different cells that form a human organism? We are literally building blocks of molecules constructed into biological machines. We have free will to make any decision we choose. We inhabit these biological machines with our soul, our true being, a fragment or a shard of the eternal. We must be great, since we possess a sliver of the eternal, and with the knowledge we have gained, we are co-creators of reality, and we are now partners in creation. So with this, we must be wise.